Happy Monday, Miller Mustangs. This is the week of August 19th in Mustang Communication. Some updates. Trinity, Mr. Wood, and Mr. Lavander have been working hard on organizing the jogathon for this year. We do have a date on the calendar, which is September 20th, with lots more of information to come. Some packets are being prepared with more information for you. Just wanted to give you a heads up that that is on the calendar. We are continuing with our assessments this week. Our intervention team will continue to push in to do dibbles, and then at the end of August to do the TEL and the core. For 3rd through 6th grade, you need to have the days done by this Friday. If you are still having technical difficulties, please let us know. This Thursday, August 22nd, we will have back to school night from 6 to 7 p.m. Jazz has requested the interpreters, and Thursday after school will be your time to prep. If you have any questions regarding back to school night, please come and see me. Some reminders. This week, all staff members need to be on campus at 7:30. If you need to be late for some reason, just make sure that I know where you are. After school yard duty starts this week as well. Please see the schedule for trimester 1. If you were on duty, go ahead and walk your students out about 2 minutes before the bell rings so that you are in your location. And as we brainstormed at the staff meeting for kinder and first graders, if you want to stay inside the gate until you see the child's parent, we can make that work as well. Please have some grace over the next week or so as we get used to this new closed campus policy. We are starting that closed campus policy today in the morning. In the afternoon, walkers will be dismissed through the gate by room 1, and bus riders and parent pickup will be dismissed by the gate at the preschool. We will be committed to this at least for several weeks to try and work out the kinks. All right, some shout outs. Thank you to Mrs. Burgess, Mr. Mendez, and Mr. Vargas for clarifying the role of the outreach mentors as tier 2 support. Thank you to the kindergarten and TK team for being flexible with the large class sizes and helping to arrange classes for our new kinder teacher. Thank you to Ms. Ramsey for supporting kindergarten during the first week of school. Thank you to Ms. Marvia for supporting our new 6th grade teacher as she transitions back down to kindergarten. Thank you to Mr. Wood and Mr. Lavander for helping to organize the jogathon and begin the preparation of materials. Thank you to Ms. Crocker, Ms. Taylor, and Ms. Henry for the use of room 1 during the staff meeting. Thank you to Mr. Aranda for bringing the donuts on the first Friday of school for the staff. Thank you to Miss Betty Ann for helping our kindergartners get to the cafeteria with the new closed campus policy. And finally, thank you to all our supervision aides for embracing the changes on the playground to ensure the safety of all students. All right, that's it. Remember our Mustang pride. Have a great week.